another with respect, love, and care. Your brother problem should be your problem. That is why I come here to appeal to sentiment because I did it, because I believe it. That is why when George Weah, Thomas Fowler, and Carol Gray decided that they would run after Kabina Janet because of his tribe and his religion, we stood up. We told them it was dead wrong. They should stop it. They went ahead. They killed that young man's future. Let me tell you something. The law says when somebody is impeached, they can't hold public job no more. Kabina Janet did not deserve what they did to him. Destroy his professional career as a lawyer. Now they're saying because of a useless thing they call Thomas Fowler and Carol Gray. Let me repeat. Hello? Thank you. Because uselessness of Thomas Fowler and Carol Gray, Kabina Janet may not hold public office in this country again. Think twice. That is why people like Thomas Fowler and Gray and the John Weah do not deserve any future in this country. The only crime Kabina Janet did was to uphold the rule of law, interpret the law as it says. But because people that George Weah don't like people to interpret the law as it says, the way you're removing Kabina Janet from the bench, that Kabina you're doing it too, but you will hate the country for a long time. Because all the other judges will be afraid to render judgment in keeping with the law. Hello? Because of the way they removed Kabina Janet, the day they closed Henry Costa radio station Voice FM, they went to court. The judge that had the courage to say the way you close Henry Costa radio station is wrong and not correct in keeping with law, they remove it from there the same evening. So, when you go into court and you can't get justice because the judges are afraid of powerful politicians, you're running into danger in the country. Hello? When the courts are being controlled by powerful, corrupt politicians, investors don't come to the country. And when investors don't come to the country, more people are out of job. And when more people are out of job in a corrupt system, by the time the powerful few can collect the country money and keep it and suffer you and wait for election before they get you vote to escape your suffering. Hello, David Dagdi. Hello. December 8th, the election will go into. We will not fight because the decision to make it is easy. That light versus darkness. Light. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. When I came to you last year, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I know some folks can be over there happy. Last year, I prayed to God. I asked him for your vote free. You gave it. Some people kept giving me the vote. Let's see what you do. Blessing money. I ask you for your blessing so I can go in the capital building to owe you the way I will serve you. And we went in the capital building. The table, all the trouble on your suffering, are just shaking the table on the Baba thing and you're falling down. Just shaking the table. morning, you listen to the radio, get on, get on. In the afternoon, get on, get on. In the evening, get on, get on. You know what? I just shaking the table. All the things I hate in the country, you're falling down for me. There's some people who hold the table together to put a Baba in their back. You agree for all the people there? I went to the Capitol building because I am sick and tired of being a citizen of a country where the old people suffering. 70, 80-year-old grandparents. 70, 80-year-old grandparents in this country. They still planting potato green and frying collar for their 30-year-old young children to live and go to school. Whether those grandparents will rest. How you will live your life from baby to young child to then when you turn old, then you still suffering for people who 30 years old. Whether those 30-year-old children or men and women will get on their feet so that grandparents can rest. What kind of country is this? What kind of country where the young people what kind of country where the babies, little children, they born in this country, almost no hope. No hope. What kind of country where when you born you can't see or you can't walk? We already determined that you must beg. What kind of country? For time immemorial, we have decided that the way God make you, if you came in this world and you can't walk, you can see. Liberia have decided that you must beg until you die. We must change it. Because I had to drive in America to go to school and to do other things. I had to go get my American driver lesson. I went to get my driver lesson. The head of the department, the government office in Delaware that issuing driver's license, the head of that department of over 500 persons, he never walked. Say he was born. He the supervisor of that whole department, but he in wheelchair, he never walked on his own before. He is the boss man of people who can walk. Because the American system see that even though he can walk, he get brain pass over then I walk. Show me one government office where somebody with that kind of disability is the head of the office. Why is it that we treat our people as if to say they are different from us? Let me tell you something, my people. If we don't fight for a country where the system can work, when the system works for you, the only requirement that it takes for you to benefit from the system is because you are a citizen. In 2017, the only country in the whole world that see the people in majority go vote change for hope. All around the world, people can hope for change. Only in Liberia, see, these years and some Liberia went to change for hope. They cry for hope. Hello? Hello? No more in this country, people can hope for change. Ellen Johnson Sirleaf took over Liberia 2005. This country was in the kitchen. Ellen Johnson Sirleaf took our country to the living room, turned it over to George Weah. It took that woman 12 years to take Liberia from the kitchen to the living room and turn it over to George Weah. It has taken him less than 3 years to put the country in the septic tank. In the septic tank. In the septic tank. Hello? When something septic tank. When something is in a septic tank, only one way you can get it out. You got to use sewage system to flush it out of there. But the citizens know that they got to be before 8 o'clock. It's troubling. People dying under the George Weah government and they leaving room for argument. But because they come to your doorstep yesterday, you're debating the issue and you're not crying like the other people are crying. Under George Weah government, they're not using guns to kill people. They live in argument after people die. Here they run. And the executive Michael Bang and tell you, all was deployed. Though they enter trouble room on the 8th floor and kill him. Still, the executive mansion is supposed to be the most secure building in the country. Wembley don't let them to go down to the port. And I'm going to imagine the place is supposed to die, they will be there. So nobody will put fear in some of us about death. To determine who we are. This country don't send you to school. But this country requires that you must get academic people before you get work. Then you put it in your head. You try to get people. So I belong there. Don't let them fool you. But people, don't fool you. You are who you are, what you think that you are. Stop thinking less of yourself. You get talking, you get no friend. That you're one. That play there, if you're loving, you need a problem. You don't let us loud to you. And I write 10 letters for you. 10. All 10 were voted upon. It's my one working, my working red, and then. Hello? We started the Minister of Education on the strength of my letter for you. We want to know why school fees reaching heaven, no explanation. Hello? The minister, my letter, we read it on the floor. All the senators voted for it and said that Dylan letter makes sense. When Ellen was president, by the time she turned over to President Weah, about 1 million children were in school. Since President Weah became president, less than 700,000 children in school because the country had. Yes. Yes. When I read to say the country had, I can give you evidence. We said for the minister, Mr. Minister, this school year, $100. Why they see school day year first grade at $500? Why they put $400 on it? You can tell. Quality teachers, did they bring in computers? What the value they added business? They put $400 on the school fee. Because if the school fee was $100 last year and $500 this year, plenty children will not go to school. Plenty parents cannot afford. The minister came and said, oh, we'll go investigate. They went, they go investigate. They came back to the Liberian Senate after 2 months. Open plenary. They said, Senator, the thing what Senator Dillon talking about are true. We investigated, we found about 80% of the schools across the nation. So we make those schools pay the parents and the students back. They are part of the plan that they carry the school fee on. You don't know why you get the money back? The news hate George Weah there. They say if parents and students across this country start to get rich, we wrote 10 different communications. Why rape on the increase? Violence, crime, people houses getting burned, flood, disaster coming. People houses were deep roofed as a result of heavy rainstorm. I called the representative of this district, Pape Flomo, gave him 200,000. You remember, right? Yes. We lawmakers, we're not supposed to be doing it. We're supposed to have national institution. We're supposed to fund through the budget. So when there's a flood disaster somewhere, that relief disaster commission can go intervene with the people. When there's fire disaster somewhere, That commission supposed to come into that one can hear me. The time you are going to do it, you can't tell the Lord because you are going to. Malala. So, in the Senate, you hear they say, we want Taylor out of the Senate. The only reason is simple. We are less than 6 persons fighting for you in the Senate. We are less than 6 persons fighting for you in the Senate. When you pull us back and increase our number, out of 15 that going to 2023, they will change by force to join us to fight for you. Hello? My people say, some people say, Dawa Taylor, why you tangible Thomas Fala get school? He get clinic, Tifa school, Tifa University, Tifa radio station, Tifa clinic. No, leave that one. And I name 420 for Tifa. What is there for the district? What you get big clapping for them for? Somebody take your money, build themselves and their family, then you clap for them. You think something wrong? Hello? For all the things I get. So I say, okay, it's simple. You see, those of you who left football, those of you who know about sport. Hello? Y'all lead the public place. Support the truth. The Bible says, Job chapter 1:6, when God called the children of God to talk serious things, Satan was there to disturb. Yeah. They can come around to disturb. Yeah. In the Bible. Job chapter 1:6. God called all the children of God to talk godly things. Satan was there to. They lie. Hello? That just the radio station. I play my radio station now. You like it just to the station. Just leave. So, those of you who know about football game, where in the world you now see the coach? He said if there were the number 5 for not scoring more goals than the number 9. You think something wrong with that coach? Because the number 5 are to defend and the number 9 are to score. But when the coach says if there were the number 5 for not scoring more goals than the number 9, something wrong with the coach, right? So I can enjoy my friend about CDC. You say Thomas Farah, which is true. He been representative for 15 years. I've been senator for 1 year. And you won't compare tangible. But the only reason why, even if I stay 15 years, I will never get a sitting for again. Because I don't want it like that. I won't want to leave it for there. It must be for the people and the country, not for myself. I can't take your money, your content development money, build my school, Dawa Dillon High School, my wife the registrar, and my uncle the principal, and your children paying school fees to all, and you say a good senator, you think something wrong? William V.S. Tubman was president of Liberia for 27 years. He built Freeport. He built RRA. He built the mansion. He built the Temple of Justice. He built the Capitol building. He built the hydro. Tubman been dead more than 40 years. Who all wrote in there for? He also built Tubman High School and Bassa High School in Gambassa County. Say he been there, who wrote in there for? A Tifa, Sonny Rowe, when he go for bed, Jana, who wrote in there for you? Why you can be clapping for? You think Sonny Rowe? You see, that's the thing we want to change. That's the thing we want to change. That's the thing we want to change. We want you to look for asset. You must look for character than the building. Because sometimes a bad character can get a change this country. You must be looking for character. Right now we are mourning the loss of the public works minister, Mabudu Flanyepa. A President Weah got sick, Senator Dillon sick, and they kept us to JFK. No drugs there, no medical equipment there. And I can tell Mogo Ghana, and I can be praying, hey God, let it get Senator Dillon Ghana so he will get well. And the people in Ghana, if they hospital, the JFK, you will pray for her to go there? And the people in Ghana face the hospital? Now I see, you did something wrong with her? Because we the ones supposed to face JFK for you. When we face JFK for ourselves, then mean we facing JFK for you. But we at all, the only reason why we're not facing JFK is because we can go Ghana. You can go Ghana. That new week we in, God forbid. A two big men die that week. That you're the ordinary people be asking God, what our country do to you? Our big people dying. Lala, you know how many ordinary people die every day for JFK because we fail to face it? You know, any big men praying for God why our people dying? When you get Goodrich High School, we face the public schools and the quality that is in B. Derry Harris and C. Derry A. If we put our quality in Tottenham High, we put the same quality in Goodrich. And we made Tottenham High, D12, Goodrich. We made them free with computer, good teachers, good learning environment. We make it free. The same thing that in C. Derry A. And we put it in Tottenham High and make it free. What do you go at? And you will go to Tottenham High? Especially the parents that can't afford, right? They will send their children to Tottenham High because the quality that it beat the Harris, the government will put it in government school and make government school free. That's how it is around the world. In Liberia, government get nothing of any quality. That is why you, the parents, the ordinary people, can be begging just for school fee for your children to go to B. Derry Harris. But if we put that quality that is in B. Derry Harris, we put it in Tottenham High, in the government schools across the country, and make it free like it is around the world, then your dignity will be kept. You will not come be begging us. Hello? Hello? If God did not agree and you did not vote for me, I will be senator. And that mean you my boss? Yes. But what kind of country where the employees then can be enjoying more than the employers and the employer then can be clapping? You think something wrong? Let me close on this. Let me give you the picture. All of you here in District 13, you put money together, you buy taxi. You give it to me to draft. You say I'm going to report $2,000 every evening. Standing right on the road here every day. You see the taxi. Back with passenger. No traffic. To and fro. The car full. In the evening, I can't say traffic was high. Get you $500, you take it. Every day, I never report $2,000 out of you. Every day, I get you $500 or $750, you take it. I was driving your car. I paid him my. I thought the car owner supposed to enjoy more than the driver. And how it's ought to be? And the car owner supposed to enjoy more than the driver. But the driver enjoying, the car owner suffering. Then the car owner telling a friend and say, telling a good driver, you did something wrong? You see the taxi at the government? Picture it. The taxi is the government. The passengers are all the resources of the country. You see the driver? That we the one you can employ with your vote. The president, the vice president, the lawmaker, and we the driver. You, the people, The people, the citizens. You employ also who can report to you so your life can change. But when your life changing, your life went down and you doing segue behind you, need something wrong. You see, I came to Tespetacti. Those of you who saw me coming, as I'm closing, you listen to the radio, CDCs can call me Jago Lantern, Chani Lai, Fly Lai. Y'all, our supporters, y'all who can get there with that thing, y'all must be clapping for today. When God ready to speak, He can speak through people who can even understand. When they play dark and you put Jago Lantern there, you will not shout. You know, yes, CDCs call any CDC person in government, you know, you call them any kind of lie? No. Candle? Phone light? You know, they call any CDC any kind of lie? No. Because there's no darkness over there. But CDC can call me Jago Lantern. They recognizing that there is a light. That light go first. You put it on and they say they won't cut it off. You agree? No. Do you agree for the small light you put on for them to cut it off? December 8th. You listen to the radio. President Weah, Marwa Molu, Akal Gray, Thomas Fala, all of them. They say, we will win the election. That's God working. That's God working. Hey, you're so good already. You better go and be the person that can resign so walk on there can be free for the hand. But you know what it's depending on? You know what it's depending on? Now, my first thing group of people, they see the thing clear. They say they get them. One person got 5 voter cards in hand, CDC, when I clean the voter roll. Every time I say that clean the voter roll, they say they don't see a defeat. But people, right before the camera order you play allow me to write CDC orally for a few seconds on the voter roll. Dear CDC, the voter roll we used 2019 when I won is not the same voter roll because last year when you turned 18 you were not allowed to register to vote. CDC, 2019 was Dara Dillon won. If you live in Ghana Bay and you move to live in Brewer Bay, last year they didn't allow you to change your voting precinct. This year, CDC, when you turn 18 or you never voted before you want to register to vote, they allow you to vote this time. So it means they increase the voter roll. And that's what we're calling for them to clean it this time. Sincerely yours, Dara Dillon. Thank you. Thank you. So, 3 things I want to leave with you. December 8th, we'll clean the voter roll before we go to election. Thankfully, I want international partners. Citizens say, when I clean the voter roll, let them go to election. We'll clean it. If you got 5 voter cards because you got $20 per card, God can we move from here. ECOWAS technical team here, the political parties, RT people, along with election commission, will put all the rest of the vote, will put it in the system, in the database. They get the technology that can recognize your face. If you get 5 voter ID card, your face appear there 5 times, they will just move forward and keep only one there. So if they get 5 voter cards, now only one will lead it. But because a machine and a human being make it, sometimes it can make mistake, it can deter some people. So the second thing we're doing, number 2, the ink. The ink will be showing that they will bring. When they put on your finger, they don't move until 1 month. So if you get 3 cards and you won't vote 3 times, if you vote the first time they put it here, you won't go vote again, you will color the finger here. Number three. On your finger, when you want move it, that 1 month for your move. So you will not vote here and go vote there. Number three. When the Secretary General, Brother Ballo, was reading the list of officials of no ambassador, he said something which is true. And I know that for a fact. The government is intimidating people. That's why your supporters won't come up, but they can't come because when they go to work, press them. That the same thing they won't do to our people to say, when you're working in the government here, you must vote for Thomas Father. And the only way we know you voted for Thomas Father, you must go vote to show your vote. Nobody will get a camera in the voting room. Now one camera full will vote their free will, secret ballot. When we do that, when we make sure these things are done, all the non-jobs we are at Thomas Father then causing the wasting time. Because this December, when you go first, this country, the 100,000 votes we got last year. This year, we'll win this country with over 300,000 votes. You know how I know? You know how I know? I will not win the campaign. Yes. Or we win the election here. You know how we win the campaign? When you know your candidate is easy to sell. You talk to any 10 person, 7 or 8 like the in the church, in the mosque, in the temple, in the community, on the football, everywhere. Any 10 person you talk to, 7 or 8 like the they say, don't worry that I'm there again. I go in the banks. I see the people that jumping on me, they're waving to me. All our supporters. When I go to the government office, you know how I can know what's supporters? Plenty. Yeah? When I go in, when they see me, they're eyeball. When they're looking, they want me to look so they can show the sign. They want to look, then they do that. Secret, quiet. But you see, we win the election here. And you see how the old people today in the country suffering? And you see how the old people suffering today? No comfort. You know why? Because they tell the old people today, they tell they were young, they face the country, they face the system. We were young today, you think we're not get old? If we face it today, when we get old, that we need system. System is built today so that you can benefit from it tomorrow. Hello? I want to thank you, all of you. They said they're having senatorial debate. And the Senate together, the president will change. Hello? If president we are one that cabinet general under the Temple of Justice. I know that for that, but I try to give you a picture. That president we are sack cabinet general. Cabinet general was not serving a way of pleasure, right? So you know what he did? He used a weak bunch of people, the legislature. And then when I say spineless, they can get this. Majority, spineless, we need to remove away. If you don't change the Senate, the heart will not change. You know how we change the Senate and the heart can change? All the time people follow the legislature, the staff they never used to get overtime money. They 1 year, you may be senator. The overtime money they was all to bring for, I said, it is starting to get their own. It is starting to get their own. I will not take my check. We went over. Our whole press conference and tell how all we get. They said, no, we get a staff. We said, we get a staff. So you know what happened? After 3 days, they brought my check. They said, yeah, your overtime check here. I said, the staff get their own money. Why we didn't wait? They want to give to us, why we give to the staff so our own can be processed. Why we the leader quit to eat and leave our people? I'm not signing for the check until the staff get their money. I'm not signing. So you know what I mean? They read, you gotta know, well, tell the radio, they know. The radio finance ministry went after the check for the staff. The staff in the Liberian Senate got their overtime money for the first time in 10 years. That's the thing we're looking for. We want a country where when you elect people and you're doing business, you Liberian man, you Liberian, you're doing business. What are the water market business? Once that business is registered, you can get loan from the bank. It will have a system. We have a system. The reason President we want you to vote for Thomas Fala is simple. The man does not like anybody to tell him no, even when he's wrong. The President we are in the government want to pay the whole community and post street light everywhere in the community. Any one of us that said no because we're opposition, we are wicked. Because we all supposed to back and fight for development. But you see, when President we are in the government want to bring development to this community, I would say yes. Thomas Fala would say yes. You let it go. The president is 54 years or 54 years old, can be born. I want to thank you, all of you. Here is the theme of our campaign that we want to leave here. We did it before. We did it before. We did it before. We did it before. I want to thank you. I want to have my friend before I leave. Edward Pape Flomo. When people elect you on a platform, stick to it or improve it. Don't let them down. People in the stand here voted for Edward Pape Flomo because he